Hello scholars, today we are going to continue the chapter number 4 basic geometrical ideas, and today we will see exercise 4.4. Before that, see some of the definitions. So number 1 is a triangles. So a triangle is a three-sided polygon. In fact, it is the polygon which the least number of sides. You can see this triangle ABC and there are three sides. And the three sides of the triangle are AB, BC and CA. And the three angles are angle BAC, angle BCA and angle ABC. And the points A, B and C are called the vertices of the triangle. Now next is quadrilateral. So a four-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral has four sides, four angles. You can see this figure. This ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, and it has four sides AB, BC, CT and TA. It has four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. And in any quadrilateral ABCD, AB and BC are called adjacent sides. Okay, and AB and DC are opposite sides, and angle A, angle C are said to be opposite angles. Same as angle D, angle B are opposite angles. Okay, and we can say angle A and angle B are the adjacent angles. Next is circle. So a circle is a plane figure bounded by one curved line, and such that all straight lines drawn from a certain point within it to the bounding line are equal. The bounding line is called its circumference and the points its center. Now see parts of a circle. So take one point and draw one circle. Okay, you can see this figure. Here C is a center. Okay, and A, P, B, M are points on the circle. You can see here CA is equal to CP is equal to CB is equal to CM. These all are radius of the circle, and the radius is a line segment that connects the center to a point on the circle, and this CP and CM are the radius. Okay, and CPM are in a line. This PM is known as diameter of the circle. Okay, and diameter is double of radius, and this PB is a chord, okay, connecting two points on a circle. Clear? Same as PM is also a chord. Next is arc. So an arc is a portion of circle. If P and Q are 2 points, so you get the arc PQ, and this we can denote it like this. Okay, and a region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on one side and a pair of radii on the other sides is called a sector. Clear? Scholar, you can see this figure. So this shaded portion is called what? Sector. Now a region in the interior of a circle enclosed by a chord and an arc is called a segment of the circle. Okay, and the distance around a circle is its circumference. Clear, scholars? Now let's see the exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and a point Q in its exterior? Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? Now let's see this figure. ABC is a triangle, okay, and the point P is the interior point and one point Q is the exterior point. And you can see here A is neither interior of the figure nor exterior of triangle. It is a vertex, okay. Now see question number 2. Identify 3 triangles in the figure. See this figure ABC, this is a triangle, okay, and we have to identify the 3 triangles. So you can see here the triangle ABC, the full one, this is a triangle. Then triangle ABD, this is a one triangle. Then the next one is what? Triangle ADC. So there are 3 triangles. Number 2, write the names of 7 angles. So angles are angle ADB, angle ADC, angle ABD, angle ACD, angle BAD, angle CAD, and angle BAC. These all are the angles. Next one, write the names of 6 line segments. Now you have to write the name of 6 line segments. See here AB, AC, AD, DC, and BC. These all are the line segments. Next one, which 2 triangles have angle B is common? So triangle ABC and triangle ABD. These 2 are have common angle B. Now scholars, let's see exercise 4.5. Question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. Draw its diagonals. Name them. Is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? So first, draw one quadrilateral. And the name of the quadrilateral is PQRS. Now we have to draw 2 diagonals. Okay, so this SQ and PR, these 2 are the diagonals. Okay, and both diagonals meet at O, which is inside the quadrilateral. Number 2, draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. State. Number 1, 2 pairs of opposite sides. So first, draw the rough figure, means draw one quadrilateral KLMN. Okay, now opposite sides are what? KL and MN. Same as KN and LM. These are the opposite sides. Now 2 pairs of opposite angles. So angle K and angle M. This is the one pair, and the second one angle L and angle N. Okay. Next, 2 pairs of adjacent sides. So you can see the figure. Adjacent sides are what? KN and NM. This is the one pair, and the second pair is KL and LM. Okay. Last one, 2 pairs of adjacent angles. So adjacent angles, angle K and angle N, and angle L and angle M. Now scholars, your exercise 4.5 completed. Now see exercise 4.6, and the question number 1 is, from the figure identify. Scholars, see here one circle is given, and in this circle you have to identify some of the names. So first one, the center of the circle. So what is the center? This is O. Okay, now 3 radii. 3 radius are what? OA, OB and OC. Third, a diameter. So diameter is AC. Okay. Next one is a chord. Where is the chord? This ED. ED is a chord. Now interior points. So which points are inside of this circle? Point O and point P. Next, exterior point. Any point is outside of the circle? Yes. What? Q. So answer is Q. A sector. What is the sector? What is the name? OAB. This is a sector. Next one, a segment. Segment is where? Yes, ED. ED is a segment. Okay. Question number 2. Is every diameter of a circle also a chord? So what is the answer? Yes, every diameter of a circle is also a chord. Okay. Second one, is every chord of a circle also a diameter? No, answer is no. Every chord of a circle is not a diameter. Next, draw any circle and mark. So now here we have to draw one circle and we have to mark these points. Okay. First one, its center. So let's the center is what? O. You have to mark here like this. Okay. Next, radius. Okay, scholars. So radius OC. OC is a radius. Now diameter. Diameter what? AB. This is the diameter. Next one is sector. Which one is the sector? AOC. This is a sector. Okay. Now segment. Segment is where? EF. EF is a segment. Now a point in its interior. So take one point. That point is Q. So Q is an interior point. Next, a point in its exterior. Now we have to take one exterior point. So let it is R. Okay. Now last one, an arc. So arc. So we can say here AC. AC is a arc. Question number 4. Say true or false. Two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. So what is the answer? Yes, it is true. If you will draw two diameters, okay, so definitely it will intersect. Okay. Next one, the center of a circle is always in its interior. Yes, it is true. Why? Center is always inside of the circle. Yes. So scholars, chapter number 4 completed. For worksheet, you can see the link given in the description box. So thank you, scholars.